your tool review of the week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, so it looks like we are coming into a Milwaukee week, and this is a really cool tool that I came across. One of my buddies was telling me about it. And this is like a portable power generator, and it's really sweet because I guess what you do is you charge up these batteries, and then you can take it and you can power up like your on-demand different devices that's shown on the right. So you could go watch the game out on the job site, power up different stuff. When it said like 3,800 watts peak, like that's a lot. I mean, you could do a lot of stuff with that. But the thing is, like, this is almost kind of like it's weird because when I saw it originally, it says generator, but it doesn't really generate anything. It's like an inverter. So it basically just provides you power. You don't even have to, it's just kind of a cool little thing that I saw. I was like, wow, I was like, this is really cool, like they're starting to do this stuff where this is basically what I call UPS, so this is like a battery powered backup system where you could use it for like your office, and just have it charged up, and then if you lose power, then you still have portable power. And, I mean, you could run like some pretty big tools out 3,600 peak watts. I mean, that's a pretty big inrush. It shows a whole list of things that you could run on it, but I really like this. A new tool from Milwaukee. I really like it. Like I say, if I was gonna buy a Milwaukee right now, this is the one